Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can delete your transaction history on GCash. But before we start, let me clear this up. There's only one way to completely erase your history, and it comes with a big trade-off. So what we need to do is step one, just go ahead and open your GCash app. Go ahead and open your GCash app and log into your account. Then you want to go to your profile. Just click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. From here, go ahead and click on your profile name at the top. Mine's dropped out, but go ahead and click that. Once you click that, there should be an option for you to delete your account. Yes, tapping this will permanently delete not just your account, but all of your transaction history. Just keep in mind that this isn't clearing your history, it's closing your account entirely. Once you delete it, you lose access to your Gcash wallet balance and services. So only do this if you're absolutely sure. That's it. That's the only way to delete your Gcash transaction history. We hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Thanks.